Section 8. The value proposition. Price and what you get. When it comes to value for money, the Toyota Yaris is hard to beat. It offers a compelling combination of features, performance, and reliability at a price point that won't break the bank. The Yaris proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality or features for affordability. With its low starting price and excellent fuel economy, the Yaris is an economical choice for budget-conscious buyers. Its low ownership costs, including maintenance and insurance, make it an even more attractive proposition. Section 9. The final verdict, is the Yaris right for you? The 2024 Toyota Yaris is a compelling choice for drivers seeking a practical, efficient, and affordable compact car. With its sleek design and modern features, it stands out not just in terms of looks, but also in functionality. The Yaris has been engineered to provide a smooth and comfortable driving experience, making it ideal for both short city commutes and longer highway journeys. Its blend of features, performance, and reliability make it a standout in its class. The interior is thoughtfully designed, offering ample space and advanced technology that enhances the driving experience. From the intuitive dashboard layout to the comfortable seating, every detail in the Yaris is crafted with the driver and passengers in mind. Whether you're a city dweller navigating urban jungles or a commuter looking for a fuel-efficient ride, the Yaris has something to offer. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver through tight city streets, while its impressive fuel efficiency ensures that you can go further on a single tank of gas. The Yaris is also equipped with a range of safety features, providing peace of mind no matter where your journey takes you. While it might not be the flashiest car on the road, the Yaris is a reliable and practical companion that will serve you well for years to come. Its durability and low maintenance costs make it an excellent long-term investment. Plus, with Toyota's reputation for building dependable vehicles, you can trust that the Yaris will be there for you, mile after mile. If you're in the market for a compact car that delivers on its promises, the Toyota Yaris deserves a closer look. Its combination of affordability, efficiency, and reliability makes it a smart choice for anyone looking for a vehicle that meets their everyday needs without breaking the bank. So take the time to explore what the 2024 Toyota Yaris has to offer. It just might be the perfect car for you.